Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. And guys, I think I might have made a bit of a boo-boo. A little while ago, one of my subscribers, lovely person, said, did you know that was it the range? One of the shops, oh what was it? Possibly the range, oh, can't even remember what shop, is selling Big Twist. And it might be something to do with when Joann's closed and them selling off yarns. And they're doing a Big Twist. Home bargains. That was it. Home bargains. So I said, no, I'll check it out. So I did. And I ordered some balls. And I don't think I've got it all. They said that it would come in 2 stages. And well, funny enough, Joann's used to do the same thing, didn't they? But I bought these yarns, the size of them. I'm kind of a bit shocked. I don't know what possessed me not to look at the yarn ball size. It's bigger than my head. It's enormous. And I can't find my glasses because I've hidden them under all this yarn. So this is Big Twist. Value pound. Okay. 1193 yards. 7.6 ounces. 17.6 ounces. 1,000 meters. 500 grams. 500 grams. I kind of made a mess. 100% acrylic. I don't know if I can use all this yarn. Seriously, look, there's one. I'm going to put it down there. There's 2 of them in this creamy colour. I don't fall down. There's 3. Okay. Maybe there are more coming. I don't know. I found my glasses. There's 4. Well, I could make a huge project. So this is called Cream. Cream. Seriously. And yeah. Wowza. Look at the size of it. Big Twist. Lots of people love Big Twist over there across the pond. 4 of them. So then, they didn't have much of this. But you know what? It's just as well. It's just as well, isn't it? Because it's such a big ball. Wish they didn't have a lot of the other. 300 grams, these ones. And they're 153 yards, 10.5 ounces, 140 meters. Well, I didn't tell you the washing instructions on the other one, but I've got some more colours in it, so we'll have a look in a minute. Wow. You need 6 of them to make a garment. 8 to make, I don't know what that is, blanket. 1 to make a hat. Be a big hat. Just saying. Anyway, wow. They're saying an 11.8 millimetre hook. Is there such a thing? It's a 6, a bulky 6. So a super chunky to us over here. And I got this kind of blue. Okay, that's not all there is. That's 1. Then there's this light blue colour. Isn't that a beautiful colour? That is gorgeous. So I got this one. And, well, it's pastel blue. And I got another one of these. So this one was called what? Wow. Dusty blue. So those are the 2 blues. I've got 2 of this one and 1 of that. Unless there's more to come. I have no idea. But then there's these. Wait for it. So big. What have I done? This is a 4-way Aran. Okay, I'm going to get one out. Let's do this. Let's do the thing. Let's do it. Oh, it's nice. Very nice yarn. So the cream is the size. I can't get over the size. the size of it. I can't get over. More than a pound in weight. Yeah, we've got the 1.93 yards, 1,000 meters, 500 grams, 17.6 ounces. We've got 4-weight Aran. We have a 5mm hook recommended, 5mm crochet hooks and needles, that is. Yep, it says you need 3 for a blanket, 1 for a sweater, 1 for a medium-sized adult, and 1 for a hat. Well, yeah, I think you make several hats, don't you? Just saying. 1 for a scarf. Wow. 30-degree wash. You can cool iron and, oh, I don't know, is that for dry flat? I don't know. I think it's a dry flat thing. But that is big twist. And it is big for sure. And I got black. I got cream and I got black. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black ones. 5 black ones. And I don't really use black that much. There is a few black things I want to make. It's just as well, isn't it? There's a few things I want to make with black. Wow. Yeah. Big twist. No kidding. It certainly is big. But, you know, in a way, I wish the others, these ones, where's it gone? I wish these were 500 grams. It's so soft. That's lovely. Really nice. So, yeah, I got some big twist. It's gigantic twist, more like. It's big. Sorry. Big, don't cut it. Does it? Look at it. Look. It certainly is big. Massive twist, more like. But it is nice. You know, if you were a giant, this would just be normal, wouldn't it? It's like, oh look, a 50-gram ball. Wow. Don't know what to say. Standard. It certainly isn't. Certainly isn't. But yeah. Guys. Guys across the pond. What did you do with this stuff? Good grief. So yeah, they are selling big twist. I'm not sure they get it in the shop, because when the person said to me, did you know that Home Bargains are doing big twist? A couple of days ago, you know, we went to a few Home Bargains shops. There was a couple that we went in, and we were lucky to find any yarn. There was the yarn shelf was about this wide, and there was 3 balls on it. And the other one that we went in, they had that, you know, that I always think of it as big twist because it's a big ball and it's twisty. But it was that blue one that I had before that I really liked. And then they had one that was kind of mauve-ish. And they must have had a couple of balls of that and nothing else. So I can't see it being in the store. But it is on the website if you go and have a look. I thought, oh, I'll just get 5 of them. I get 5 of them. Not thinking 500 gram balls. What could I do with all this yarn? I have to find some kind of use for it. Maybe I could do a mystery boxes. After all, it's a yarn quest. You know, when I do the high street mystery boxes. It is from Home Bargains after all. So I could maybe end up putting some in there. Who knows? But wow, I'm shocked. Shock and awe. That's what this is. Shock and awe. Wow. Let's get one of the cream ones out. Because we had one of the black ones. Now let's have a look at the cream up close and personal. Dang, it's so big. When I hold it up, it just makes me smile. It's just so big. Look at it. It's the biggest yarn I've ever seen. It's the biggest yarn ball I think I've ever seen. You know, I was in the States a couple of years back. I didn't really notice Big Twist. How could I not have seen it? I didn't really notice Big Twist. Obviously, there was an awful lot more Big Twist varieties out there, and Home Bargains don't have all of them. And I got a little bit, a little bit of each one. Say like 5 balls of this, 5 balls, whatever ones they had of the chenille, I thought I'd get, and they only had 2 and 1. So chances are they probably sold quite a bit anyway, but they didn't have massive amounts. They certainly didn't have lots of colours when I looked. But, you know, it might just be the drop in the ocean and they might get more, who knows. But seriously, I can't believe the size of it. It's certainly an education. And I know that we do have, I mean, I don't stock them in my shop, Hobby Rocks, but I know that when I order from places like King Cole, I can get a 300-gram ball and stuff like that, and 400. I've seen them before in other shops as well, and maybe bought a couple, but I kind of didn't notice that that's what I was getting. Isn't that funny? I mean, I thought when I ordered 5, I was going to get like 5 100-gram balls. Not 5 500-gram balls. Goodness gracious me, when the box arrived, I thought, what on earth? I wasn't expecting a bag or a little box. That will show me to look at the small print more, won't it? You gotta laugh. Anyway, it wasn't that expensive. So yeah, that's my Big Twist yarn haul. Still in shock. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, and you can maybe help me figure out what it is I can make with it. What does it make good? You guys across the pond that have used it, what's it good for? Let me know. See you on the next one. Bye for now.